Hello everyone. For our experiment, we were trying to find the average velocity of a softball thrown from home to first base and from home to second base. In order to find the velocity, you must calculate the change in displacement divided by the time. To collect our data, we used a radar gun to record the speed and a stopwatch to record the time in order to calculate the velocity of the softball from point A to point B. For our first three trials, the ball was thrown from home to first. The distance between home and first is 60 feet, which can be converted to 18.822 meters. For our first trial, the softball was thrown from home plate to first base. The time is recorded at 0.73 seconds at 55 miles per hour. 18.822 meters divided by 0.73 seconds equals 25.05 meters per second. For trial 2, the ball was again thrown from home to first base with an average time of 0.82 seconds at 54 miles per hour. (18.822 meters divided by 0.82 seconds equals 22.95 meters per second. Third trial, the softball was thrown from home to first base with a time of 0.68 seconds at 54 miles per hour. (18.822 meters divided by 0.68 seconds equals 27.67 meters per second. For our first trial, the average velocity from home to first base was 25.22 meters per second, while the average speed was 54.33 miles per hour. Moving right along, we then did 3 trials from home to second base. From home to second base, there is a distance of 85 feet. We calculated that in 85 feet, there are 25.91 meters. Our first trial was timed at 1.45 seconds at 54 miles per hour. 25.91 meters divided by 1.4 seconds equals 17.86 meters per second. Our second trial had a time of 0.98 seconds at 56 miles per hour. Ooh, 25.91 meters divided by 0.98 seconds equals 26.43 meters per second. For our third and final trial, it was timed at 1.42 seconds at 56 miles per hour. (25.98 meters divided by 1.2 seconds equals 18.24 meters per second. The average velocity was 20.78 meters per second, and the average speed was 55.33 miles per hour. The main goal of this experiment was to demonstrate a situation in softball that requires velocity.